Alright, we're live. Okay, I was making sure I was using the other mic. And, yeah. I'm just gonna start coding. What was I doing here again? Oh, yeah. I use this to get the lumen thing. So yeah, this time I'm mostly just gonna be doing a bloom filter. So, in order to make that properly work, need to do it this way. So I'm gonna do airless. What up? That was fast. I literally just started. How you doing? Today you're gonna be learning how to make a bloom shader. Okay. So we're gonna need to get the lumens, and the best lumen thing that I can find is this. I have termites, yay! Okay, Neo. Do you have any opportunity to breed geckos? Looking forward to it. Yeah, you know it. What, gecko breeding? No, it's fine. One man Andy, what up? Golly, you guys came here quick. But yeah, if you can breed geckos and like just kind of let them roam around like in the walls and stuff like that, they will take care of your typing like a drunk on my phone. I got you. But yeah, they'll take care of it though. What Pokemon is that? Dagnabbit. Lumen. I'm actually gonna do this a little bit differently than a float. I'm actually gonna return a Vec 3. So that this is kind of incorrect, so this needs to be its own function here. I'm just gonna copy that real quick. Lumens V3. Matter of fact, I'll call this a Vec 3L. No, this can stay a Vec 4. That one can. Yeah, it should be good. And you know what? We'll add the alpha channel to the Vec. Will we? No, we don't need to do that. Okay, so I'll go ahead and explain vectors, okay? I get what you're saying, but we got a person coming next week, right? Oh, that's good. Yeah, no, they're not Geicos. A 15-minute call could save you 15% or more on car insurance. Alright, anyway, so a Vec 2 is basically a two-dimensional object. So it contains, you have X and Y for a Vec 2. You also have Z and W, but they basically act almost the same as X and Y. It's a little bit confusing, but a Vec 3 contains three values, R, G, and B. The names of these values they're actually kind of just aliases that reference the index of the vector. A vector is basically an array, and the number corresponds with like. You can't do like Vec 15 and all that. You can do 2, 3, and 4, I think. You also have matrix. Like you have like a three-dimensional matrix thing. That's a little more advanced, but. All right, so we're gonna get the lumen. Curloom equals lumens current. So now if we just like straight up do, hold on, let me show you. No. Alright, so if we straight up do this, ooh, you know what? I think I can make this happen like that. Aha, that's pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty good. Alright, so if I do this right here, let's say current times equals, or no, current equals curloom times current. Now if I do that and like I recompile the thing, you can see already we get like this nice sort of tint to it, right? It's like a darker-ish tint. We're just multiplying it by... You could multiply directly by the lumens, but then that'll give you like the same end result. So I guess the best thing to do is just times equals. Yeah. Right. So what we're gonna be doing, if you divide, it brightens it a lot. So what we're gonna do instead is current equals, current.rgb equals vec3. Or no, we don't need to do that. Vec3l, vec3 current.rgb. Wait, we don't need to do, yeah, we just do this. Oh, if you want to see Game Boy stuff, there's a lot of cool things you can do. So check this out. Let's watch how easy it is just to make a quick like 8-bit shader. Okay, so we're gonna take curloom or current equals round and then current times 8 divided by 8. And it's not gonna... Oh, yeah, round is not a thing, so we need a floor. And... GLFrag color syntax error. What do you mean? Okay, well, let's just do RGB like that then. Oh, that's why I didn't put the stupid semicolon. Alright, so by doing that, you already have an 8-bit shader. As you can see, we have like 8-bit color limits now. That's actually not 8-bit. If I remember, it's this backward, or doubled. So 4 would actually be 8-bit. Yeah, that's what it was. But it's also more to it than that. You need, like, I think if we do 8 times the current lumen. Neo, you okay? Oh, that looks cool. It's like a noir kind of. You know, we can actually use this for the balloon shader. Huh. Okay. What does this do for us? But yeah, it's pretty cool how you can do stuff like that. What if I mixed them? So like 8-bit would like blend it over. Oh, that can be kind of cool. I'm so sorry. We all have days like that, and that's trash. I'm sorry. I am. Nothing beats the original dot hack though. Dot hack is so good. Oh, by the way, Aeroless, what I did here. Wait. First, Neo, how come how come you hit a standstill? What's going on with that? So, Aeroless, if you see this right here, this is actually a special thing that I am using to parse. I ended up writing this piece of software here. I'll just go over it real quick. So it's a HW shader thing, right? We have your constructor. I'll let you pause if you want, or like when you rewatch, you can code this out yourself as well. But too long didn't read. What it does, well, okay, because I'll see you later tonight. I got you. Got you. Well, I hope you have a good day at work. But yeah, so too long didn't read then. What this does, if you look here, to create the bloom shader, we just do new HW shader, and we allow print debugging, so that way the console log it shows us all the messages and stuff like that. Anyway, so then you have like events. So when it's compiled, you can say if the filter isn't applied, yeah, but if it is, then we're just gonna reset the filter, allowing you to recompile it on the fly without ever having to restart. That's what I've been wanting to do to begin with. But yeah, so basically it means I can actually do this in a way. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna try and not F5. Maybe I'll be able to calm down to start him again. Because the termites and the cleaning and my dog, the stress is getting to me again. Once everything stops, and hopefully people can remove the termites and the back porch stops leaking. For some reason, 1 month of the year is always terrible for me. Seems like it's January, so it's about to start. I'm sorry to hear that. Sounds like you live in Florida. Okay, so we can, so if I do current again, as you can see, just do recompile, and boom. So I actually want to try a 2-bit thing here. Doing the, or a 4-bit. Doing the thing kind of made me realize we can actually use this as the bloom effect. What if I just get rid of the divided by 2 point? Yes! Alright, so we're going to take the lumens from that. Okay. Float, bloom, equals lumens, bloom. Current time. Yeah, that'll work. Mix current bloom 0.5. Yeah, this is gonna work. All right, so now we just need to blur the bloom based on the brightness of the thing. Okay, for float, I equals 0. Wait, let's start with 1. I is less than 1. 1 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 is less than 1. It's too bad we can't do this. Like, I don't know why, but that always results in an error, and it won't let you. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Wait, what if we do const float? I think I already... Yeah, it's not gonna... Yo, what up? Neurodivergent companion. Yes. Ironically, I live in the area complete opposite of Florida. Really? Dang. But on the bright side, we always seem to get lucky in these bad months, so things just work out. So all I have to do is take the punches. Yes, sir. That's a good way to look at it, except you sometimes need a punch back. Bruh. Alright, so let's say, like, let's give it a quality of a 15. And then we'll say float new. No. Alright, vec for what's the best way I can do that? Well, I guess I gotta just apply the Yay, okay, I can do it that way. Alright, B2 equals texture 2D, use sampler, vec2, be texture chord dot x plus cosine. I will do gl frag chord dot x divided by pi divided by the result of width divided by bloom long, or times bloom long. Why is my CPU eating up the fan? That doesn't make sense. You saw the originals in somewhere? Did you? I should do a stream of dot hack. Alright, let's see. Yeah, my graphics card right now is going ham. Somebody's mining cryptocurrency on my GPU, Kappa. Okay, why though? Okay. Is it just this? Yeah. Alright, vec2 vtext core dot x plus cosine divided by that. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, that's also correct. No, it's not. What are you talking about? You know what? Oh. That's why. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Now we can just do bloom equals mix bloom b2 and we'll do bloom now it should kind of apply like a blur-ish, but we need to. Okay, so now we need to limit the so we can say b2 equals, yeah, floor that times 2 points. Alright, so let's only look at the bloom right now. It's gonna look ugly, but alright, so then now we need to do must have been a tough one. You should have seen the amazing win I pulled off. I was in a 2v2 Pokemon Scarlet and Violet. Okay, my team member was out. I had 2 Pokemon left. They thought they won after beating my second Pokemon. Then while they're weak, I beat 3 Pokemon single-handedly with just 1 Pokemon. Nice! Nice! That's clutch. It was an amazing battle, guys. Video on them. Yeah. Gameplay is heavily inspired by the old hack. That's what's up. Your own brand of luck. Alright, why is this not working? Oh, that's sort of working there. Yeah, divided by width. Divided by height. So let's try this then. Times bloom. Wait, divided by bloom long. Pile that. It's still not. It's not dispersing it like I would hope that it would. Okay, so we can try this then. I times bloom long. Is that better? Nope. That scattered a little bit, I guess. Okay, let's increase the bit rate a little bit, or not bit rate. The lighting, and then we can say back down to 5 point. We're kind of getting somewhere. Three point. Yeah, so we have our brightness. That's not the issue. Mix, bloom, current. Maybe it's this. Oh, we're getting there. Yo, we're getting there. Okay, yeah, so bloom long times height I keep. No. But you can't deny it after all of that. I'm a Pokemon master. Heck yeah. Yo, sweet, what up? I'm serious, what are you trying to do exactly? At the moment, we're just making a bloom shader. Yeah, so the bloom shader that I'm trying to make here, how can I explain? Like, it's sort of mixed with like a light ray kind of thing. So let's get rid of the color limiter here, and like let's not make it 8-bit or whatever. But then I still need to. You know what? Let's try this times bloom. What the? Alright, recompile. Oh gosh. Well, we made a multi-dimensional doohickey. Alright, so how can I do this? Okay, yeah, no, this isn't gonna work like that. Alright, I know what I'm gonna do then. Times I divided by width, or divided by I divided by width. Okay, yeah. Divided by, I think it needs to be height divided by I though, instead, yeah. So we're going back to this method here, which means basically with every step it gets blurrier. The blur range increases. We just made a glass filter. That's interesting. Okay, so I want to try that real quick. What is that going to do for us? There we go. We're getting there now. Alright, so yeah, we basically have our blur going on here. Our blooming effect. I want to try something unique though. What will that do for us? Okay, that does give us like a bit more of a scatter, but it's still it's not correct. Nah, okay, yeah, we don't need to do it that way then. I wanna be the very best I know I ever was. To catch them is my real test. To put them on the internet is my cause. Cause I'm a memer. Right. To be a master, Pokemon master. I wanna be the very best. Can you make the radial, like, the opacity radial so I get? Yeah, that's one thing I'm trying to figure out how to do. I can do it. That's not the issue, but it's let's try like width minus I for the, and then like the height minus I. See, then it just becomes blurry. It doesn't become like a high quality blur. I could do like this, but then the GPU is gonna just sink at that point. Well, maybe not. Okay, let's try this then. 100, but it increases by a step of 10. So we basically get the same level of blur. Okay, hold on. 1,000, but it increases by the steps of 100. Yeah, see that makes it better. Kinda? I can get rid of this extra calculation here, and this doesn't do any good. What did I do? Wait, that should not have messed it up. No, that shouldn't have messed it up. What's going on? Oh. No, it will because... No. No, what? Oh, yeah, it's down here. There we go. That's starting to look kind of good. But, maybe we should go, like, in the steps of 20s, but 500. So that's basically still the same as, like, 10 steps. Let's do 5s. Pretty blurry. Let's make it 100. 25 steps is like the highest that I'm really willing to... Okay, you know what? Let's just do this. 15, 1. But let sub equals, and we'll say 15 divided by width. X. Float sub X equals that. Rashad, what up? How you doing? Oh yeah, dude. No, I've been rocking Linux like for the longest time. I'll use Windows occasionally and stuff, but I prefer Linux so much more. The comment on last night's stream. Wait, what? Through the low polygraphs when the strangest feeling entered my... Man, it's like a tidal wave. Dag nabbit. Okay, I will leave you to your not safe for work stuff. Alright, and then the sub height. For sub Y. That should make it blurrier on the X, but it does not. Divided by that? Might make it too blurry. No, it doesn't either. Huh. That's interesting. This should be... Love them bots. Yes, sir. Outside of lack of video editor and audio DAW choices. Hey, even with audio DAW, like, bruh, hold on. I know it's a bit out of subject, but like, look, there is absolutely zero delay. Here, let's play this one real quick. Yeah. But yeah, there's no delay between this, and there's actually a bunch of different look into jack plugins, and you might change your mind on that. But yeah, listen, there's no delay between this, right? And it's, if you have like all the right stuff. Oh, can you hear that? Yeah. But yeah, I don't want to get too far off track, but no. I use Pulse Audio at the moment and Alza, but if you're like really wanting to get professional with it, Jack is the way to go. No, wait, that song was a bop? Okay, let me, hold on. Rashad, I'm gonna play some music then. Ugh. While I think about how the F I'm gonna do the shader code. Like, I know how to do a bloom shader. That's not the issue. But the issue is, how do I do a bloom shader, like, with efficiency? Alright, so we'll play this one while I code, and then I'll switch to another one. I'll switch to the one that I just played. This is my favorite one that I've ever made, though. When the Nest hits. Yep, GLSL. Anyways, I was saying, might have been a bad month, but that's true. Yeah. Is this too loud, guys? Okay. Why the heck won't you work? What did I just press? How? Yeah, no problem. I'm not that great at it, but yeah, it takes. It's weird. It's like I can. That part does slap though. I ain't gonna lie. Why is this not working? See, if we just straight up divide by I, then it's not. It's too much. It like does like that weird well, maybe not. Yo, hold on. Holy freaking crap. Yeah, I guess we can use that as a bloom, sorta. Okay, so I'm gonna do mod and then 1 point for that. Let's try that. So that way it starts kind of wrapping around after, instead of like stretching to the infinite abyss. Mod that 1 point. There. So now it'll start, yeah, just kind of doing its own thing again from the top. It'll create a weird line though, and I don't like that. So what we're gonna do is give this thing a padding. So let's try that. You got the green light? What green light? Just don't get the red one. Okay, so it seems like that's not gonna do us much good either. Really don't want to We can do that, but then it does it on the other side and it becomes jaggy. So let's. All right. Oh yeah, you wanted to hear the other one that I was making. Wait. Nice. Yo, dude, keep me posted on how that goes. Better be sending me some screenshots. I want to see. It's gonna be safe. Oh yeah, I started like remaking Turn It Down for what? I don't want to get copyright though. Here's another one. So me and Haku, a good friend of mine, like we're doing a cover of well, let's see if you can. Let's see. Let's see if you can. Let's see if you guys. Who knows this? Dun, dun. Who knows this one? Na, 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 na. Oh yeah. All right, you know what? I'm just gonna show a couple more because otherwise, I'll be like this stream will just turn into me like playing around with LMMS. Helena Prison from Legend of Dragoon. But like it's a banger. Do, 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 do. I can only make music when I'm tired though for some reason. Like I can only work on these like when I'm like dead tired. Alright, so there's that one, and then I'll play the one here. And then alright. And then we'll get back to it. I think I know how I'm gonna make this. I mean, at the very least, we could like make a cool glass shader out of it, but do a writer's glass of whiskey. That wasn't FF7. Also, you depressed me for that, Bender. Or Rocker Virus. I called you Bender. Yeah. Anyway. You know what? I'll show you the anime tribute one and then that's it. And we'll get back to it. Dragon Ball. Dragon Ball Z Kai. Made of a deep energy. For so long. One Piece. Bring along all your hopes and dreams. We will find everything that we're looking for. Same. Our fighting dreamers taught me what makes us fighting dreamers. Just go my way. In the countryside, we wander far and wide. Dun, 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 dun. Finally at waiter 7. Water 7. What's that? That's all I got done of that one. I'm trying to think if I have any more that yeah, I was trying to do some rock stuff. Wait, no, that's not the one that I was trying to do. Alright, this is the last one, I promise. I have way too many projects here. Zoop-a-doop, what the heck is that? Whispers in the Dark. Tell me if you know what band this is from. Yo, I hope this doesn't get copyright, because like how similar it is. I'll just disclaim it. Wait, you can't hear it? That one might have been a little bit quiet. I'll turn this all the way up real quick. It's gonna be loud though, so just a heads up. Yeah, Bender, yeah! Rocker knows. Cheers! Yeah! So I was just taking a minute to show off some musics. But yeah, so I'm trying to make a really efficient bloom shader. Like a very minimalistic bloom shader. I ended up making a glass shader out of that instead. But, so let's not do that. Let's add it by the current one instead. Alright, hold on. What if I change the pi to a pi 2? Yeah, that's why. Kinda. Recompile that. Alright, well what if I'm trying to like get it to not wrap as much. Okay, so 1.5 is a yeah, 1.5 seems to be the thing. However, it doesn't. Okay, you know what? Let's say times current dot a. Let's try that. Alright, well let's turn pi back to normal then, since it's not gonna matter. You're back, what'd you miss? Nothing. You could use another drink. I could use a drink. Okay, times, let's try that on the divider. It's still gonna do that. The texture board.x. Oh, I didn't recompile it. Okay, let's. Ooh, here's an idea. Oh. Well, kinda. There we go. Okay, that's the kind of X blurring that I was looking for. So now let's do the same what we just did there. Let's do times current moon. And then the height times. Well, what if we do this? Like, would it backwardsify itself? No, but it kind of looks cool. Okay, times current moon. So this ain't working. So what I'm just gonna do like the traditional way then. For now. Oh wait a minute, because I did the sign on that one as well. Yeah, see that's like too sharp of a thing. Oh, hold on. I did it wrong. Pi divided by current moon. How's that the same thing? Well, I guess it would be. That does look kind of neat, but it's... We could just do like a straight radial thing, but it still doesn't look good if I do that. Okay. Yeah, it's still too sharp of an image. Alright, let's just do this the old-fashioned way then. So... this will be the amount of passes that it does. And we'll say for float, x directions equals 0, x is less than... let's like make it a 4-directional thing. X plus equals 1 point. And we're gonna do the same with the y. A bunch more iterations, but it should still look a lot better. You could use a beer. Oh, beery me. Stop. No. I'm gonna close that. Aye. Alright, let's just do it then. Texture 2D. Use sampler. Be texture chord. Plus cosine. Wait, times cosine. Let's try that actually. Yo, we never tried that. Yo, ooh, that might be pretty cool. Back to, oh my gosh. Times cosine. X divided by y. Oh, hold on. You know what? Let's just do it this way. X divided by pi. I'm curious. Current equals mix new current 0.5. This is gonna be trash, but you know, or it's just straight up not gonna work. Okay, we got density back to. Okay, why is that not working? That should work. These for loops should all be fine, but they're not. Which one did I mess up on? Oh. It's so easy for me to mess that up for some dang reason. Anyway. So that's why we don't do that. And then, yeah, now we say divided by width minus, wait, width divided by x. And then all that's doing is like bumping it though. Let's say like times x divided by width instead, which is basically the exact same thing. Okay. Plus y. Oh, you know what? Divided by, okay. Width divided by I times x. 0.15? Why? That makes even less sense. It's not making... Okay, hold on. Did I have it backwards there? Yeah, I just had it backwards there. Okay. No, it's still not making sense. Okay, what am I doing wrong? Did I just absolutely, like, slurp up a batch of confusion? Like, what is going on? V texture for.y. Maybe we divide that by that. Yeah. Well, made it wavy. Needs extra pickles. Spicy chicken with extra mayo. Oh, bruh. Bruh, you ever put that on like those Tostitos pizzas? It might sound dollar store, but trust, it is good. What if we multiplied that by pi? Now we're just making like a wave amp filter though. Why is this so difficult? Okay, I think I know. Okay, gl frag for.x divided by width. Yeah, let's try that first. See, it's either too odd. No, it's Ulrich. Up. When you've been in the house way too long. Oh, my eyes. Ah! Alright. Why? Okay, you know what? Let's try this. Cosine and then times v texture. Yeah, it's definitely not gonna. Divided by? I didn't think so. You touch my tra-la-la. Alright, yep, my brain is sharding itself. So let's just try width minus I times x times y. Oh. Yes, kinda. Okay, we're getting somewhere. I don't know how to make it do like the light rays though. Since I can't like make the for loop with a variable, I can't base it off like the lumen of the thing. So what I need to do instead, you know what? Let's double that. Make it like ultra bright. And then we can say 1.0 minus cur loom And then we'll get the lumens of these. So we'll say float new loom equals lumens new. Capitalize that for consistency. Let's just try subtracting by that then. Or not subtracting. Let's just mix it by that value. What the hooker? I think it's because it's going like over 1. So we need to... okay, so we need to just do min 1. That might work? Yeah, there we go. So we're starting to get somewhere now. What if we don't do the... yeah, so let's just try this times current loom. What? Oh, it did and. This is probably going to be... Yeah, that's a... I'm not divided by... that just made it like right back to... Okay, so yeah, we'll do that. And then... No, minus. Plus. You know. And then we can just do divided by the current loom. Well, that's one thing to do. Alright, so let's just run it through the thing that we made earlier. New.rgb equals loom v3 or vec3 new.rgb. That's definitely not correct then. Wait, where's new loom at? And how did that work? Oh, it's up there, it's fine. Exquisite moi. Nod. Fam. Oh. That's one. New loom. This is why you don't stream at nighttime. We're back to the noir effect. Huh. Bro, did you know there was a McNugget world record eating under a minute? He only ate 19. What? Anyone can beat that then. Actually, no, that's not true. 1 minute, 19 nuggets. That's... Pulling out the nest glitches. Okay, what can I do about this? Like, why? Let's divide it. Yeah, it's not... no matter what I do, it's not gonna look good. I don't want to cheat and look it up because I want to do it like on my own so that I can say I learned it. Now call me a stickler, but 19 seems too little. So what if we do this? For every 5 seconds. Yeah, that's no, I got you. At first I was like, yeah, that doesn't seem too much either. Probably just get to. Hey, you know what? Before we get back to this, Airless, get ready to get to this point of the video, because I guess I'll just go ahead and go over like a little bit of the shader thing. What even was that sentence? I just don't know why, but for float 0 point I is less than 15 point I plus equals 1 point. I just wish I could pass a variable through here. No matter what I do, you can't. Let's see, drag shader pass float through for loop. Man. WebGL for loop variable. Oh my gosh, man. I'm using WebGL too. If I can just do this, it would not be an issue. Well, not as much of an issue anyway. Wait, what? Const float mf equals 0.5. So why would that work? Okay. 0 point plus mf. No way! Why do you have to do as... Why is this working all of a sudden? Okay, I promised up and down that I tried stuff like this. Why is it... Huh? Yeah, but I can't set it like that, huh? Which means I won't be able to set it like this. Why? That makes it pointless. Oh my hooker. Does this need to be a const float lumen? Like that? So we can just do, like, can we do it like that? Okay, how is that not targeted just to annoy me? This works. Now how? So you know what's very, very annoying? I don't think that'll work either. Okay, so that does work, which means we can do this. Why can we not pass a function through it? That's dookie. I mean, there's probably some reason for it. Oh, look at that. Come on. It's because these aren't constants. Oh boy, this is obnoxious right here. Oh, this is pointless. Ay. This and another. Oh, I already read that. Okay, so he's got 19 minute. Broke 20 records. Dang. Somebody needs to marry immediately. Dang nabbit, sweet. Oh, come on. GLSL const float add set value from non-const. Yes, I know. This. Why? That's not... Oh, this is annoying. Does nobody know? Is this just like a thing that is just not possible? Like, that no one knows how? Like, how do you even word that in a Google search? Maybe I can... Driver dependent. Okay, that gave me a brain hemorrhoid. I mean, that's obviously not the thing that he was searching. Come on, why is this so stupid, man? Okay, let's try this. GLSL const lumen function. Okay, hold on. GLSL float to constant float. Wait, what? Really? All we need is that? Wait, what? For real? So we can do... float her loom. No, we can't. That's for arrays. I'm not looking for a dang array. I'm not looking for structs. Wait, can we cheese the F out of this? I don't think we're going to be able to iterate based on the amount, based on the lumen. We're not going to be able to do that. Okay. Bye, airless. Let me try something. Float. Wait. Void. Loop me. Const float amount. So let me try this. Of course, that's just immediately going to be an error for some magical unknown reason. What? The heck are you talking about? Huh? Okay, but if I set it a const, it's not going to be able to iterate, right? Yeah, so what? This is dumb, yo. Loop index cannot be compared with a non-constant expression. Well, that's why it's a constant. Oh my gosh, yo. You just swallowed them, yeah. What? I'm about to call it a night, 'cause this is dumb. Yeah, I know that. That's exactly. And the function normalize cannot be transformed into a constant expression. Why does nobody have an answer? Like anywhere. There's that brain hemorrhoid answer again. It makes it sound relevant. Dang, 8,000 calories? Holy crap. That doesn't work. This is the one thing I absolutely hate about programming. Not knowing how to search whatever the heck it is you're trying to do because you're bad at wording stuff. All right. So what if... Alright, you know what? I'm done for tonight. I'll have to figure this out later. I'm tired. My brain. But yeah, thanks for watching, everyone. Not sure if we do requests, but I have one if I ever have time. Non-shade related? Sure. Yeah, I do. I sometimes do requests. It depends on like how big of a task it is. What's your request? To eat a cucumber. Me. I'm gonna wait for Sweet to reply, and then I'll end the stream. Ultima 5 style HUD with the playfield on the left and with the text box on the right. Dope. Not basing the entire game on just as a feature, maybe like a plugin command. Yeah, that'd be kind of cool. You can probably do that. But yeah, until next time, bye guys. Yes.